Today we're going to read a story about how to make bread. The story is called Bread Comes to Life, A Garden of Wheat and a Loaf to Eat. The story is by George Levinson, and the photographs are by Shamel Fowler. Now, this type of story is a real story, which means it's nonfiction. We're going to be reading a story about something that really happened, and they're going to show us what these real things would look like. So there's no drawings in here. These are all pictures. Here's the title page. We see the title again, Bread Comes to Life, A Garden of Wheat and a Loaf to Eat. Bread is the food we eat every day. So many kinds, so many ways. White bread, black bread, small bread, tall bread, thin bread, twin bread, dinner rolls, bread with holes, hard, day old, tough bread, soft, squishy, fluff bread. Bread is toast, bread is crumbs, pizza is bread, bread is buns. How is bread made? Where is it from? This baker makes his bread from scratch by sowing wheat in his backyard patch. Soon those seeds send down roots and sprout into shoots of bright green grass. The days pass, and that grass grows into sturdy blades, tall and straight, finely made, with budding heads and bristly hair, gently waving in the air. When the crop is ripe and old, the tops are bowed and streaked with gold, and every head of wheat contains many tiny finished grains. Time to cut the golden field, gather up the backyard yield, stack up piles of sun-dried stalks, rub them in a threshing box. It's the simple old-time miller's craft of separating wheat from chaff. What's left are seeds and hefty load, many times the number sowed, and each new grain of harvest wheat looks just like the loaf we eat. Now is the hour to grind those grains into whole wheat flour. With simple tools and easy rules, it's on with the show to make up some dough and bring fresh bread to life. Yeast, honey, water, flour, salt, oil, and muscle power. Dump it, thump it, dust it, knead it, squash it, stretch it, toss it. Set it aside to rest and rise. It grows and grows to twice the size. Punch it down, give it some shape. Let it rise again, put it in to bake. Slice it fresh, it's better than cake. Whatever the shape it finally takes, wherever the place it finally bakes, every day we are blessed with a mountain of bread. It's the staff of life. May all be fed. So, I'm wondering, boys and girls, what is something that you've made while you've been home? I tried to make bread and it was just like this. It took a really long time. I bet you have made something really yummy too. I hope you enjoyed our story. Did you notice while I was reading that there were lots and lots of rhyming words? I challenge you to go back and listen to this story again and see how many rhyming words you can find.